Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something crucial for every HVAC professional and building owner, the proper setup for service outlets. Getting this right isn't just about convenience. It's about safety and staying compliant with the National Electrical Code. So, let's break down exactly what you need to know to ensure your installations are up to par. First up, let's talk about the core requirements, specifically from NEC Article 210.63. This article mandates that a service receptacle must be available for any heating, air conditioning, or refrigeration equipment. What kind of outlet are we talking about? It needs to be a 120-volt, single-phase outlet rated for either 15 or 20 amps. This is your standard power source for most service tools, so having it ready is essential. Now, where does this outlet need to go? The rule is simple. It must be located within 7.5 meters or 25 feet of the equipment. Imagine drawing a circle around your rooftop unit. The outlet has to be somewhere inside that circle. It also has to be on the same level as the equipment. This ensures a technician doesn't have to run long, hazardous extension cords across the roof just to plug in their tools. Accessibility is key. A technician should be able to easily reach the outlet and get to work without any hassle. One of the most critical and often misunderstood aspects is the power source for this service outlet. According to the NEC, the outlet must be on a separate branch circuit. This means it needs its own dedicated breaker in the electrical panel. You cannot, under any circumstances, power the outlet from the load side of the HVAC unit's disconnect switch. Why? Because when a technician shuts off the disconnect to work on the unit, they would also kill power to their tools, which completely defeats the purpose of the service outlet. It must have an independent power source. This brings us to another important safety feature covered in NEC Article 440.14, the disconnecting means. The disconnect switch for the hook unit must be located within sight of the equipment. This is a non-negotiable safety rule. A technician must be able to see the disconnect from where they are working, giving them full control over the power and preventing someone else from accidentally turning it back on while they're reservicing the unit. So, to recap, you need a 120-volt, 15 or 20 amp outlet within 25 feet of the hook unit, on its own dedicated circuit. Plus, the main disconnect switch must always be within sight of the equipment. Following these NEC guidelines is not just about passing an inspection. It's about creating a safe and efficient work environment for service professionals and ensuring the long-term reliability of the system. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on safe and compliant installations. Stay safe out there.